Hello everyone, welcome back in the Python programming video short series. So we were just learning about the constructors and we were just seeing out the parameterized constructor, right? So we have a problem based on the scene. So we need to create a class of a student, okay, that takes a roll number and a name as input, okay, in the normal constructor, okay. So here not the normal constructor as a parameter, okay. So we want to just display out that. So let's just try to utilize the parameterized constructor concept here. I've created our student class here. I'm just going to create a parameterized constructor which is going to take two parameters here. Let's say of course the self, okay, going to just take the name, going to take a roll number, and else we are just going to display that. So by the help of self dot name we can just get the name, and by the help of self dot roll no we can get, okay. So I hope till now here no issues would be there. So here let's just change. Simply we are going to create another function def which is going to display by the help of self parameter. Let's just try to print out here by the help of formatted string name. So we can just give here self dot name, and we can use the curly braces here of course, else we can just give the roll number, self dot roll number, and we can just simply try to create the object as from my student. Let's just try to give the data Kajal, and else I can give here the roll number as 56. So with the help of S I can display my name and roll number. This is the parameterized which has got the roll number and name. We have created out the parameterized constructor in it which is taking two parameters, name and roll number. So we just got the input here, okay. By the help of self we are going, like we just described a display function which is going to just display the name for us and name like roll number for us, right? So by the help of formatted string I've written out here normal text name and roll number, and within the curly braces I have passed out the expression. Now just created out the object here s, okay, and by the help of object I have called out directly my method which is a display, and that's how I have used out my parameterized constructor in Python programming. So I hope you guys understood this concept, and in case if you have any issues you can let me know. Thank you.